Good morning, everyone. My topic is smart work versus hard work. So, as per my views, smart work is good because we just have to do work in easiest way. Like there is two jobs in which we have to go office and then we have to do works. And second one, we have laptop in our house and we just set our home and then we have to do work. So this in this their second option is better because we are just doing work from our home. So this is called the smart work. And if I talk about the hard work is like we just go destiny and then we have to do works. But it is not good. But so many people thought, what did he say? So there are different views to see what is smart work and what is hard work. As per my opinion, smart work is good. And if there are so many of you who support the hard work, because if we do hard work, so many people say that hard work is there was one dialogue in Hindi that कमा के मेहनत करके खाओगे तो अपना अपना लगेगा. So I don't like to say that type of dialogues, because smart work is important. Because if you have to do a large work into small work. So like there is example of this auditorium, that there are so many people who take the chairs in this floors. So there are two types of people. First one is that he just take the one chair one by one and put line wise. And the second one is like that they just call many people and then gave one chair to another. And then after this we save our time and also save our physical health, because God knows that by taking this stairs we fall down from the stairs. So this is not good thing. But in some ways hard work is very important, because in some ways smart work is not happens. Because if there is person he wants to go Delhi, they just take the two options, by the metro or by the trains. If they choose the train to take short distance, so by this they have they are two main reasons for the for why did he go by the trains. So first one is that he just increase his time. This is not the benefit, but this is disadvantages of trains. Because you listen by so many, you just listen so many people that the trains are nowadays are very delaying by their times. But some of the trains were going on their time. So first point is that the trains is go late. So by this your journey is not being good for you, because you just have to wait so much time to and you just also कोसने को क्या कहेंगे, you just also curse on yourself that why did I purchase the ticket of train, not the token of metro. And the second is we just by train we are all like in train we are familiar with our passenger. That one time I will go Vaishno Devi with my family, and there was one family who also goes Vaishno Devi. On that time we just sitting on our seats, and the elder one of that family said me, beta कौन सी क्लास में हो. So on that time to our destination, we all are make like a family, and we just talking about. And you know is so many ladies do not like these words. But if two women were set together and they just talking about their family matters, this is the very wrong thing. And my grandmother and that family of grandmother talk with each other with their personal matters of home. I just want to say one of the matters that family of women said that can I speak in Hindi? Yes. So she just said मेरा बेटा तो नालायक है, बहू के पीछे पड़ा रहता है. So can you imagine that words that by train we just make our families on train. That we on that time we can't feel alone, because on that time the full bogie was ours. But you just see that this all train is my family, and you just happy with that time. And sorry, I forgot my topic, and I will go on the next way of this. So hard work